Kaylee went ahead and she cut the squares out for the tail light holes. We don't have to do anything with that one because it's still in good shape. She's going looking for a center punch so we can use what's called a compass for the plasma cutter. And what it is, you find the exact center of the hole here. I'm sorry about the echo of the trailer, but you find the exact center punch it, and then that point is a pretty sharp point right there, and you put that down in the dimple or the piece or the hole or whatever you have in the center, and then you put the plasma cutter torch in this part and you just go around the circle and it gives you a perfect circle. So she's going to go ahead and find the exact center by putting a cross in at two places that is the furthest apart. That'll give her the exact center so she can either drill or center punch it. And then we're going to use the plasma cutter here with the generator, with the air compressor, and cut the holes for the taillights. So the rubbers, now we have some rubbers here, they're still soft and flexible, we'll reuse them, but we have some new ones too if we need them. As you can see, Kaylee decided not to use the compass and rather use the plasma cutter freehand to cut the circles out. Well, we got the welding done, got the painting around the door done, the door panels replaced, got to hook the grounds up and put the lights in, and then this trailer will be ready for rent. Thank you for coming back. Everybody have a better day. See you in the next video.